Imagine for a moment the neighborhood you live in right now being powered completely by yesterday's discarded trash. Imagine fueling up your car or truck with premium-grade gasoline derived from yesterday's discarded trash. Imagine a technology so advanced that it could do both of these at a significant cost reduction, be environmentally friendly, and provide jobs for your community. Say hello to the Green Gas 1000. For the last 2 decades, Texas engineer and scientist Joe Craig and his team at Craytech Incorporated have dedicated their focus and resources to develop clean, renewable energy. No, we can't just put old banana peels into the gas tank and expect the car to run like it did in the movie Back to the Future, but we can put them into the Green Gas 1000 and convert them into energy to power our world. In fact, you can put any kind of biological waste material into these units to produce electricity, fuels, chemicals, fertilizers, or simply to power direct combustion. 20 years of intensive labor, millions of dollars from private investment, and grants from government agencies, including the Environmental Protection Agency, the Department of Energy, the Department of Defense, and the state of Texas, has led to the successful completion of what is now the fully functional Green Gas 1000, developed at Craytech's facility near Lubbock, Texas. The Green Gas 1000 has a 1 megawatt capacity, which can supply enough electricity to power 1,000 average-size homes. By now you're probably wondering, just what exactly is this thing? How does it work? And does it make any financial sense? As to what, we call it green gas because it's renewable and friendly to the environment. It's the very essence of what green technology is all about. Gas because the heart of the system is the creation of clean syngas, which the units produce. Syngas is then converted into electricity or other forms of energy. The Green Gas 1000 uses biomass for fuel. The beauty of this is that any kind of biological waste will do. Waste materials from urban sources, farming, manufacturing, and industry, such as plastic, paper, rice hulls, coffee bean pulp, discarded shipping pallets, railroad cross ties, straws and grasses, animal manure, old rubber tires, yes, even banana peels are just a few of the sources that can be used for fuel. And unlike fossil fuels, which are being depleted, this technology draws from a continually replenished fuel supply. We all know there's no shortage of trash. Here's how it works. In addition to the Green Gas 1000, green gas units can be configured in 5, 10, or 20 megawatt capacities. The green gas unit consists of 4 continuously operating vessels that convert biomass to syngas. For our visual tour through the working process of the Green Gas 1000, let's choose banana peels as our biomass to be gasified. The banana peels are pneumatically fed into the feed vessels where they're pressurized and conveyed to the metering vessel. The metering vessel measures and conveys the desired amount of banana peels to the reactor vessel. So, banana peels are continuously entering the reactor and are being gasified, while the newly created syngas is continuously leaving the reactor. Next, the syngas moves through the hot gas filter, where any ash or impurities from the gasification process are removed. The clean, pressurized, and continuously flowing syngas now flows to the gas turbine where electricity is created. Or, instead of feeding the syngas to the gas turbine to produce electricity, the syngas can be processed into liquid fuels or petroleum products. The syngases can also be processed into industrial chemicals or fertilizers, or even be directly fired as the source of energy for direct combustion. Basically, you can take just about any kind of biological garbage, feed it into the Green Gas 1000 to get energy and other valuable byproducts out of the other end. Now you might be wondering, isn't there already something out there like this? We're glad you asked the question. In a word, no. Imagine a city whose electrical power is generated by green gas units working together, in contrast to some of the current systems which are not as efficient and may even be releasing harmful chemicals into the air we breathe. Imagine the phenomenal economic opportunities that green gas technology will create for related industries. Discovering new technologies to convert syngas into fuels and chemicals will create exciting new developmental frontiers. Imagine not being at the mercy of unfriendly foreign governments for oil. Imagine not having to transport fuel across the ocean in tankers and the money that can be saved by reducing shipping costs. Imagine a green gas joined with conversion technologies in one location. Waste streams are brought in, converted to syngases, and on the spot are converted into fuels while the petroleum truck waits out back to get filled up. Imagine the beneficial effect on our environment by reducing the need for landfills. Imagine the ultimate recycler, taking trash and turning it into something useful, and in the process, providing a positive economic result from implementing this green technology. Obviously, we don't see any of these applications operating in the world today. Yet, the Green Gas 1000 can make these possibilities a reality and is now available to change our world for the better. Well, what about the financial picture? Does this technology really make sense from a dollars and cents perspective? Who will our customers be? Local municipalities, state governments, businesses, anyone looking to reduce their cost of doing business and to streamline waste stream logistics while at the same time using renewable technology and being environmentally friendly. There have been great technological milestones in history that have redefined how we as human beings live. The light bulb, television, telecommunications, computers, and now green gas, renewable energy. For such a time as this, a new paradigm in the history of mankind is about to be birthed. Before we bury ourselves in our own trash, poison ourselves with the release of toxic chemicals with our current methods of manufacturing energy, or simply can't afford to power our homes or fuel our vehicles because of rising costs, we must look to better technologies to power our world. And that technology is here now and ready for commercialization. It's called green gas renewable energy. Perhaps someday, like Michael J. Fox's futuristic DeLorean, we'll be able to stuff a few banana peels into our fuel tanks and be on our way. But that's still just science fiction. For now, we'll have to settle for the capability to transform our trash into electricity, motor fuels, and chemicals with the Green Gas 1000. And that's science facts. In addition to what we believe is a limitless profit potential, those who lead in the establishing and implementation of green gas technology will be a part of a legacy that will provide a priceless gift to all the inhabitants of our planet. The Green Gas 1000. Tomorrow's energy, today.